Every fulfilling life is built one decision at a time, not one giant moment, not one lucky break, not one perfect opportunity. A prosperous and abundant life is the result of thousands of choices made consistently over time. The truth is that your future is not created by chance. It is created by decisions. Every day you decide what you will focus on, what will you believe, how will you respond, who will you become. And while some decisions seem small, small decisions repeated daily become the direction of a lifetime. A plane taking off from the runway can be off by only 1 degree, yet over a long-haul flight, it will end up hundreds of miles from its destination. Life works the same way. One poor decision may not destroy your future immediately, but repeated poor decisions slowly pull people away from the life they truly want. In the same way, wise decisions may not reward you instantly, but over time they create strength, confidence, opportunity, trust, and success. Good decisions are rarely easy in the moment. They often require discipline, patience, humility, and courage. Sometimes the right decision means saying no when everyone else says yes. Sometimes it means walking away from negativity. Sometimes it means getting up early, working harder, telling the truth, forgiving someone, or believing in yourself when nobody else does. The easy choice usually brings temporary comfort. The right choice will bring lasting reward. I believe the greatest gift we have been given is the ability to choose. Circumstances do not control destiny nearly as much as decisions do. Two people can face the same hardship and walk away with completely different futures because they made different choices about how they would respond. Your life changes the moment you stop asking, "Why is this happening to me?" and start asking, "What is the best decision I can make right now?" Successful people are not perfect people. They simply become skilled at making better decisions consistently. They understand that emotions are temporary, problems are not permanent, but decisions create consequences. They know that habits shape character, and they recognize that every choice either strengthens or weakens their future. When faced with a difficult decision, ask yourself, will this move me closer to the person I want to become? Will this create peace or regret? Am I thinking short-term or long-term? Is this decision based on fear or faith? Would my future self thank me for this choice? Those questions can change a life. Never underestimate the power of one good decision. One decision to believe, one decision to try again, one decision to forgive, one decision to work harder, one decision to change direction, one decision to refuse to quit. That single choice can become the turning point of your entire future. The beautiful thing about life is that no matter where you have been, you can begin making better decisions today. Your past does not have to define your future. Every sunrise gives you another opportunity to choose differently, think differently, and live differently. You do not need to have your entire life figured out. You simply need to make the next right decision, and then the next one, and the next one after that. Because eventually, good decisions build good habits. Good habits build strong character. Strong character builds great leaders. And great leaders build extraordinary lives. Your destiny is not waiting somewhere in the distance. It is being created by the decisions you make today.